Hello guys, welcome to this session. Today we are going to discuss some of the MCQs on revolts and satyagrah. If anyone is visiting the channel for the first time, then please subscribe the channel and don't forget to press the bell icon also. So let us start our session. First question is, which one of the following had drafted the Quit India resolution? A option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, B is Jawaharlal Nehru, C option is Mahatma Gandhi, and D option is Acharya Narendra Dev. So right answer is option B, that is Jawaharlal Nehru. Next question is, who among the following leaders escaped from the prison and organized underground activities during the Quit India movement? A option है JB Kriplani, B option is Ram Manohar Lochia, C option is Achyut Patwardhan, D option is Jaya Prakash Narayan. So right answer is option D, that is Jaya Prakash Narayan. Next question is the statement, on bended knees I asked for the bread and received stone instead, is associated with A option है Khilafat movement, B option is non-cooperation movement, C option is Dandi March, and D option is Quit India movement. Right answer is option C, that is Dandi March. Next question is, Aruna Asaf Ali was connected with which one of the following movements as a woman organizer of underground activities? The option is Civil Disobedience Movement, B is Non-Cooperation Movement, C option is Quit India Movement, and D option is Swadeshi Movement. So right answer is option C, that is Quit India Movement. Next question is, Chatrang movement started in A option is Nagaland, B option is Tripura, C is Manipur, D option is Mizoram. So right answer is option C, that is Manipur. Next question is, which one of the following leaders was not a part of non-cooperation movement? A option is M.A. Ansari, B option is Muhammad Ali Jinnah, C option is Abdul Kalam Azad, and D option is Hakim Azman Khan. So right answer is option B, that is Muhammad Ali Jinnah was not a part of non-cooperation movement. Next question is, who heard Gandhi's call for Quit India as an epic movement? A option is Ram Manohar Lochia, B option is Jay Prakash Narayan, C option is Subhash Chandra Bose, and D option is Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So right answer is option C, that is Subhash Chandra Bose. Next question is, which one of the following books is associated with the rise of national movement in India? A option is Gitanjali, B is Anand Math, C option is Satyarthi Prakash, and D option is Gita Rahasya. So right answer is option B, that is Anand Math. So if we talk about the Anand Math, it is a Bengali novel which is wrote by the Bankim Chandra Chattopadhyay. Okay, this is also an important point, so please remember it. Next question is, which movement inspired Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel to become a follower of Gandhiji? A option is Kheda Satyagrah, B is Champaran, C option is Salt, and D option is Khadi Ahmedabad Mill Strike. So right answer is option A, that is Kheda movement. So guys, after Kheda movement, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became a follower of Mahatma Gandhi. Next question is, on which of the following fleet the naval revolt of 1946 was started? A option is INS Virat, B option is INS Brown, C option is INS Talwar, and D option is none of these. So right answer is option C, that is INS Talwar. Next question is, who of the following gave the slogan do or die during the Quit India movement? A option is Jawaharlal Nehru, B is Mahatma Gandhi, C option is Subhash Chandra Bose, and D option is Lokmanya Tilak. So right answer is option B, that is Mahatma Gandhi. And guys, Quit India movement resolution was passed on 8th August 1942 when All India Congress meet occurred at Bombay. And on the same day, Gandhi gave the call of do or die. Okay. Next question is, Bal Gangadhar Tilak was given the epithet Lokmanya during A option is Swadeshi movement, B is Revolutionary movement, C option is Home Rule League, D option is Quit India movement. तो जो बाल गंगाधर तिलक था उनको लोकमान्य का जो टाइटल था वो किस मूवमेंट के दौरान दिया गया था? सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज होम रूल लीग. ओके, एंड होम रूल लीग के जो फाउंडर थे वो भी थे बाल गंगाधर तिलक, एंड इन्होंने होम रूल लीग की स्थापना की थी इन द ईयर 1916. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन डिड गांधी जी गेव द स्लोगन ऑफ स्वराज इन 1 ईयर? A option is during non-cooperation movement, B is during round table conference, C option is during Dandi March, and D option is during civil disobedience movement. So right answer is option A, that is during non-cooperation movement. This question is important guys. Next question है, who among the following took the burning of foreign clothes as an insensate waste during the non-cooperation movement? A option है C.R. Das, B option is Motilal Nehru, C option is Rabindranath Tagore, and D option is Vallabhbhai Patel. So right answer is option C, that is Rabindranath Tagore. Your next question is the leader of Bardoli Satyagraha was. A option is Mahatma Gandhi, B option is Vittalbhai Patel, C option is Vallabhbhai Patel, and D option is Mahadev Desai. So right answer is option C, that is Vallabhbhai Patel. One more important point, guys, that during the Bardoli Satyagraha, Vallabhbhai Patel given the title of Sardar. Okay. Next question is which of the following movements came to abrupt end because of Chora Chori incident? A option is non-cooperation movement, B option is home rule movement, C option is civil disobedience movement, and D option is quit India movement. So right answer is option A, that is non-cooperation movement. And non-cooperation movement started in the year 1920 and came to an end on 11th Feb 1922 because of the Chora Chori incident. Next question is due to leadership and success, in which of one of the following did Vallabhbhai Patel get the title of Sardar? A option is Kheda Satyagraha, B option is non-cooperation movement, C option is Bardoli Satyagraha, and D option is civil disobedience movement. So option C is the right answer, that is Bardoli Satyagraha. Next question is where was Mahatma Gandhi when a raid was made by the Congress volunteers on the Dharasana depot? A option is in Yarbada jail, B is in Sabarmati jail, C option is in Aga Khan Palace, Pune, and D option is in Ahmednagar Fort jail. So right answer is option A, that is in Yarbada jail, Pune. Next question is why did Gandhiji start the Champaran Satyagraha? A option is to increase the wages of the textile mill worker. B is to reduce the taxes given by farmers. C option is to protest against the British exploitation of the indigo farmers. And D option is to protest against British law. So right answer is option C, that is protest against British exploitation of the indigo farmers. And this Champaran Satyagraha was the first Gandhian Satyagraha in India when after he returned from the South Africa. Next question is arrange the following in chronological order. A option is Champaran Satyagraha, B option is Kheda Satyagraha, C option is Ahmedabad Cotton Mill Strike, and D option is Mahatma Gandhi returned to India from South Africa. So right answer आएगा that is D, A, C and B. First of all, Gandhiji returned to India from South Africa. Then his first satyagraha in India was Champaran Satyagraha. After that, Ahmedabad Cotton Mill Strike, and after some days, that is his third movement was Kheda Satyagraha in India. Let me discuss the dates of these. So first of all, Gandhiji returned from South Africa on 9th January 1950. That's why 9th January is celebrated as a Pravasi Bharatiya Divas. फर्दर ही चंपारण सत्याग्रह जो सबसे पहला जो सत्याग्रह गांधी जी का इंडिया में होता है वो होता है चंपारण सत्याग्रह इन बिहार इन द ईयर 1917. ओके, फर्दर है अहमदाबाद मिल स्ट्राइक. अहमदाबाद मिल स्ट्राइक होती है 15 मार्च 1918 को और ये गांधी जी की जो है फर्स्ट हंगर स्ट्राइक होती है इंडिया में. दिस पॉइंट इज ऑल्सो वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. एंड आफ्टर सम डेज जो है होता है खेड़ा सत्याग्रह. खेड़ा सत्याग्रह होता है 22 मार्च 1918 को. ओके, एंड आफ्टर द खेड़ा सत्याग्रह वी डिस्कस दैट Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel became the follower of Gandhiji. Okay. Next question is who among the following national leader published the journal Harijan? A option is Mahatma Gandhi, B is Bal Gangadhar Tilak, C option is Lala Lajpat Rai, and D option is Rajendra Prasad. So right answer is option A, that is Mahatma Gandhi. And Mahatma Gandhi started the journal Harijan in England in the year 1933. Next question is where did Mahatma Gandhi start the salt satyagrah? A option is Dandi, B is Sabarmati, C option is Sevagram, D option is Pavanar. So right answer is option B, that is Sabarmati. Let me discuss some important points which relates to salt सत्याग्रह. So salt सत्याग्रह की बात करें या डांडी मार्च की बात करें, उसकी शुरुआत होती है 12 मार्च 1930 को और ये मार्च शुरू होती है फ्रॉम द साबरमती आश्रम टू अ कोस्टल विलेज डांडी. इस मार्च की शुरुआत करते हैं गांधी जी विद हिज 78 फॉलोअर, जिसमें कि सरोजिनी नायडू भी उनको असिस्ट कर रही होती हैं. ओके, फिर क्या होता है फर्दर पॉइंट है 5 अप्रैल 1930 को, यहाँ पर मिस्टेक है गाइस 5 अप्रैल आएगा, वो पहुंच जाते हैं डांडी विलेज के पास. जो ऑन 6 अप्रैल 1930 को गांधी जी ब्रोक द सॉल्ट लॉ बाय मेकिंग द सॉल्ट. और ये टोटल मार्च रहती है 24 डेज की और इसमें जो डिस्टेंस कवर किया जाता है वो रहता है 240 माइल्स का. नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन है विच ऑपरेशन वॉज लॉन्च्ड बाय ब्रिटिशर्स ड्यूरिंग द अगस्त मूवमेंट? ए ऑप्शन इज ऑपरेशन गोल्डन आर, बी इज ऑपरेशन जीरो आर, सी ऑप्शन इज ऑपरेशन डायरेक्ट एक्शन, डी ऑप्शन इज ऑपरेशन लास्ट आर. सो राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज ऑपरेशन जीरो आर. Next question is, in which of the following years did Mahatma Gandhi visit Noakhali and other rights-torn areas to stop communal violence? A option is 1935, B is 1919, C option is 1927, and D option is 1946. So right answer is option D, that is 1946. And Noakhali is a place in Bangladesh nowadays. फर्दर यहाँ पर कुछ एक इम्पॉर्टेंट ईयर्स दिए हुए हैं, सो हम इनको डिस्कस कर लेते हैं। फर्स्ट ईयर है 1915। इस ईयर में गांधी जी रिटर्न फ्रॉम द साउथ अफ्रीका। फिर 1917 में होता है चंपारण मूवमेंट इन बिहार, विच इज द फर्स्ट मूवमेंट ऑफ गांधी जी इन इंडिया। फर्दर इज 1918 में दो मूवमेंट होते हैं, दैट इज खेड़ा सत्याग्रह एंड अहमदाबाद मिल स्ट्राइक। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अहमदाबाद मिल स्ट्राइक होती है एंड उसके 7 डेज के बाद ही खेड़ा सत्याग्रह होता है गुजरात में। ये दोनों ही मूवमेंट गुजरात में होते हैं। नेक्स्ट है 1919, दैट इज दौलत सत्याग्रह। फर्दर है 1919 में, विच इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट वन, जलियांवाला बाग मैसेकर, 13 अप्रैल को ये होता है। फर्दर है 1921, नॉन कॉपरेशन एंड खिलाफत मूवमेंट। बेसिकली जो खिलाफत मूवमेंट होता है इसकी शुरुआत होती है 1919 में, एंड नॉन कॉपरेशन मूवमेंट जो है इसकी शुरुआत होती है 1920 में, एंड इसको एंड अप होता है 1922 में आफ्टर द चौरा चौरी इंसिडेंट। ओके। फर्दर है 1928, इसकी जो इसमें होता है बारडोली सत्याग्रह। जो बारडोली सत्याग्रह था इसके लीडर थे सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल, और इसी सत्याग्रह के दौरान जो है सरदार वल्लभ भाई पटेल को टाइटल दिया जाता है सरदार का। फर्दर पॉइंट है 1929 में पूर्ण स्वराज एक्सेप्टेड एज द कांग्रेस गोल एट लाहौर कांग्रेस सेशन। जब हमने कांग्रेस सेशन पे एमसीक्यूज किए थे तो हमने वहां पर ये सारे पॉइंट्स अच्छे से कवर किए थे। ओके। फर्दर है 1930 में सिविल डिसऑर्डिनेंस मूवमेंट जो शुरुआत होती है, और या हम कहें डांडी मार्च, बिकॉज डांडी मार्च इज ऑल्सो अ पार्ट ऑफ सिविल डिसऑर्डिनेंस मूवमेंट। ओके। फर्दर पॉइंट है 1931 में जो है गांधी इरविन पैक्ट साइन होता है बिटवीन गांधी जी एंड लॉर्ड इरविन के बीच में। इसके बाद ही जो है गांधी जी कन्विंस होते हैं टू अटेंड द सेकेंड राउंड टेबल कॉन्फ्रेंस विच ऑल्सो अकर्ड इन द ईयर 1931 इन लंदन। फर्दर पॉइंट है 1939 में कांग्रेस की मिनिस्ट्रीज जो है जो भी होती है वो पूरी रिजाइन कर देती है। 1942 विच इज एन इम्पॉर्टेंट ईयर, इन दिस ईयर क्विट इंडिया मूवमेंट बिगिंस। फर्दर पॉइंट है 1946, इसमें जो है महात्मा गांधी विजिट करते हैं नौखाली प्लेस जो कि बांग्लादेश में है, एंड अदर राइट टर्न एरिया टू स्टॉप द कम्युनल वायलेंस। So guys, that's in all for today. I hope that you love the session. Please give a one thumbs up to video. We will meet soon in the next session. Till then, bye bye and take care.